something about that song that just make you want to get up and bust a mother move.
Hey everyone, it's Kewe. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode of Cooking with Kewe, I will be making chicken and roasted broccoli pasta. To start off, I'm preheating my oven to 500 degrees. This is the best temperature to roast your vegetables. Next, I'm taking my freshly washed broccoli and chopping it up and cutting it in half so they have enough air to roast. Next, I put the broccoli in a large bowl, add some oil, but not too much because I want them to roast, not fry. After the oil, I seasoned them well, added a little bit more oil, then tossed them around with the rubber spatula. After that, I put the broccoli on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let the broccoli cook for about 25 minutes. And this is what they look like after cooking for 25 minutes. Now I'm cooking the chicken, and while that's cooking, I'm chopping up some more vegetables to put into the pasta. And next, I'm letting those vegetables cook down until they're caramelized. Alright, so now I'm making a cheese sauce. I didn't get the full time lapse of it because the phone started stressing me out. Now it's time to combine everything together. We have the smothered vegetables. Now I'm adding the pasta. I use penny, giving it a really good stir. Then next I added the chicken and gave that a good stir. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't need a shade. Switch my sides to Kenny Lane. Then I added the broccoli. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. And now I'm adding the cheese sauce and mixing well. And now it's finally time to fix plates. 20 rocks a table from ebony. That average to skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face and I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch
Massage again, you lady. Switch up my cup, I kill any pain.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
I'm a motherfucking star boy.